Hello guys, my name is Tahir and I am architectural engineer. I do designs for buildings according to international residential codes. I work for timber framing buildings, concrete and masonry buildings and steel buildings as well. So I have just finished a project for a client and let me show you the project and let's have an overview of the project. So it was basically a 16 feet by 32 feet shed house, and here we have cover sheet that includes the project data, abbreviations, applicable codes, and other things like sheet index, scope of work, and here you will have description and the title of the project, and here you will have your address, right? And here you can see we have two floor plans, ground floor and loft floor plan. So basically it's a single story shed house, and you can see we have walk-in closet, we have a bedroom with attached bathroom, we have shower, WC, uh, and wash and basin, and here we have uh, anything you can put like water heater or anything you want, or you can place bucket here if you don't need water heater. And here we have open kitchen, we have pantry, we have space for refrigerator, a big refrigerator, we have a stove here, we have kitchen sink here, we have window in front of sink, we have entrance door, a big door actually, and we have window here, and we have double heighted uh, TV lounge. Okay, we have staircase here, we can go up to the loft, and here you can see the loft area. Okay, so these are the floor plans, and here you can see looking below, so mean this TV lounge is double heighted TV lounge, or you can see entrance lobby. Here we have a top plan of the house, rooftop view. Here I have wrote the slope of the roof. Okay, we have 3 inches vertical in 12 inches horizontal. So this roof is of metal sheet, you can say 29 gauge metal sheet. Here you can see the elevations, we have front elevations, we are going to put this LP smart siding on front, back, right and left, but on the roof we will be applying 29 gauge metal sheet, right? And we will be having insulation inside the roof and insulation inside the wall, right? We have windows, big windows here we have window ventilator in the bathroom, and we have ventilators for the loft in the front and in the back. So these are the sections. Here we can see the inside of the house, we have footers on under the 4.5 thick concrete slab on grid, and here you can see the insulation in the roof and insulation in the walls. Here you can see clearly insulation in the walls, insulation in the roof. We have floor joist here, we have roof joist, roof rafters here, we have top plates, we have studs, and we have insulation between the studs. We have stacked washer and dryer here, and yes. So coming towards the next sheet, we have door and window schedule. Here you can see the doors we will be using in this house, and we have three kind of doors. We have four type of windows and uh, one type of window ventilator for the bathroom. So this was all the architectural plan set for the 16 feet by 32 feet timber shed. And the purpose of this shed is residential purpose, and you can see we have consumed all space very efficiently, and this is the functional floor plan. And if you have any comments, please write it down. and I am also attaching the link for this PDF, so you can download, and you can pay a very minimal fee, and you can download this plan set for your own use. Thank you so much.